Attention employees. Maintain the social distance at workplace. Use the sanitizers and wear the mask. Hi, welcome to Cree News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm BTS Sivakumar. These are the headlines. One more stone in the achievement crown of our organization. JSW EBL team got email appreciation from client for on-time completion of dangerous job with a proper safety measure. VOC mechanical team improved the trust on the machinery by completing the multiple tasks.
Another achievement embodied in the crown of our company. In a sudden fire accident at Meto Thermal Power Station on 18/5/2021 in 10 AB conveyor got damaged totally and the 840 MW power station was also affected. Our company has got the job to align and to fix new conveyor through tender. As per this contract agreement, the damaged conveyor has to be removed and within 40 days, new conveyor system has to be fixed by duly completing all supply, fabrication, erection, testing and commissioning. This work was started with Ganapati Puja on 5/6/2021 and on the same day our team had started to remove the damaged spares of conveyor such as cable connection, belt, idler and other spares. After that on 10/6/2021 our team had started to remove the damaged conveyor gallery safely. Around 300 workers were involved in this work and they worked round the clock continuously in the off-foot manner. Through their untiring work, they removed all damaged conveyor galleries with the help of 2 giant cranes which had around 200 to 300 ton with energy efficiency. And also our team had successfully completed the fabrication and erection of new conveyor on 26/6/2021. Further, after the puja which was held on the same day's night around 11:35 pm in front of supervising engineer and executive engineers of TNAB, the test run of conveyor was performed. In the same way, coal feeding was done in new conveyor and operated on 28/6/2021. And then the new conveyor was handed over to Tangentco on 30/6/2021 and the 840 MW power generation was started again. Actually, we had been allotted 40 days to complete the above work by Tangentco, and even during this pandemic situation of COVID-19, considering the power shortage in our state, under the leadership of our Managing Director, Mr. V.R. Sindhil Kumar, our Project Manager, Mr. K.R. Aranganathan, our Resident Manager of NCTPS, Mr. S. Ravi, Senior Foreman, Mr. K. Somanathan, Mr. Jai Kumar, Mr. S. Sindhil Kumar, Safety Officer, Mr. Vel Murugan, and all other higher officials of our organization and employees jointly acted quickly and completed the above work successfully within 21 days. We were elect 18 days before to the allotted time. Mr. Satya Seelan, the Chief Engineer of MTPS-1, conveyed his wishes and appreciations to our organization and our employees through SMS. Our JSW EBL team got appreciation mail from client for doing high risk work on time with proper security. Proper lighting in our workplace is essential. If there is any disturbance in this, the chances of major accidents due to lack of light are very high. High mast towers play a very important role to provide light to a large area properly. Our organization is maintaining such high mast towers, correspondingly fixing checklist with proper interval. Accordingly, in our JSW EBL site, high mast tower 11 was out of motion due to the repair on rope, which lead to lack in light and chances for major accidents, and hence the safety of workers was also questionable. Our electrical team had found this fault and conveyed the same to the client properly. After obtaining the approval, they collected the necessary spare parts and replaced the ropes in high mast tower with the help of mechanical team. Further, they separated the ropes and cables of high mast tower and changed all sodium lights as LED lights. Due to this effective work, the light at workplace was confirmed and the power consumption was also reduced or saved from 7,200 watts to 3,600 watts. And also the unnecessary accidents were avoided and the safety of workers also got ensured. Had appreciated our team. Mr. Vinod Kumar Jindal, JSW Head LHS, Lime and O&M, had appreciated our team through email and they had completed the above work on right time with proper safety and excellency. Our Resident Manager, Mr. M. Prem Kumar, also conveyed his appreciations to our team. The reliability of system got improved by our mechanical team through major works on VOC site. Our organization is finding the major repairs in system before the system got inactivated and ensuring the reliability of system through efficient modifications based on the severity of the repair. Accordingly, during the last month, our mechanical team had found the problems of mission through preventive maintenance and CBM in prior at our VOC site and finding solutions for the same. As such, with the guidance of our resident manager, Mr. Balakrishnan, our team had improved the reliability of the below listed major works through proper planning. Replacement work of stacker boom conveyor gearbox. Our team had identified the damage in input shaft of boom conveyor gearbox and got the appropriate spare after explaining the problems and replaced the spare. Replacement work of BC2 head pulley non-drive side bearing. While doing the open greasing work in BC2 conveyor, the huge level of head pulley non-drive side bearing clearance was found and hence replaced the bearing. Replacement of stacker long travel gearbox. Our team had identified the oil leakage in stacker long travel gearbox. As this gearbox plays a major role to move the stacker front and back, this gearbox was replaced rapidly. BC5 belt cut and joint work. The joint of BC5 conveyor was identified in a weak condition and immediately its reliability was improved through rejoint, cut and joint. Conveyor motor bed strengthening job. All conveyor gearboxes and motors were examined through condition-based monitoring kit during the month of March 2021 and the level of vibration as well the repair and mission were identified. In such a report, BC1, 2, 3, 4 and 5A or B gearbox and the reliability of the motor's base was also very low. The solution for the same was received from Mr. Rama Ravind, condition-based monitoring engineer, and all bases were strengthened. Then the vibration of all the conveyors came to a stable level. Our resident manager of VOC site, Mr. Balakrishnan, highly appreciated the senior employees who all had come from our ILFS site and KPPL site and our mechanical team at VOC site for completing all the above works within a short span of time and excellently.
These are the developed news from Chennai Radha Engineer. Please subscribe YouTube channel Kuru Media. Thanks for watching.